Today we are taking you with to one of our favorite places in New Zealand. Aucklanders enjoy coming here for holidays. We've had a few long weekends here and we realized that we have never taken you with, and today that is changing. Welcome to Cathedral Cove on the Coromandel Peninsula. We just arrived at the Cathedral Cove car park, which is meant for drop-off only in the summertime. Craig dropped me off because we have quite a few bags with us today. He's going to go park at the bottom and then walk up. There is, however, a park and ride, but it only starts from 9 a.m. and it's $8 return. Another way to get to Cathedral Cove is through a water taxi, which is $40 per person one way, which means that would be $160 for 2 people return. So we'll walk down to Cathedral Cove, which is 2.5 kilometers. Also at the car park, you'll find toilets, which is super convenient because there aren't any down at the beach. I'm just taking in the views until Craig makes it here. Craig made it up. How long did it take you to walk up?
15 minutes, not too bad.
And it's all uphill.
All uphill. Good training for my ultra next week.
So we are packed for a proper beach day. Even though the trail is pretty far, we both decided to not wear like running shoes. So we both have open shoes on. It's just awkward after you've been to the beach to put on socks and closed shoes. There are quite a few people on the path today, but it is not as busy as the last time we were here. We've been here once before, but it was in peak holiday season. I think it's one of the advantages of coming a bit earlier. We arrived just after 8. We left Auckland at 5:15 this morning. Totally worth it. Whew, bit of an uphill now. We are both out of breath. We forgot how much uphill there is on this track.
On the way down.
A lot of this trail is protected by trees from both sides, and you're just walking through this like forest vibes. But then other parts, you have these amazing ocean views. It's just stunning, and you know Cathedral Cove is just there. It's just there. It's quite windy today, so we just hope it is protected down at Cathedral Cove. The last time it was, so we're just hoping for the same. We're about halfway, and do you know how I know that? We spotted the ice cream and toilet stop. We're going down, which only means that when we come back, we're still gonna have an uphill. So unfortunately, during all the rains in January, there was a bit of flooding here and a few slips. So this pathway was closed for a while. So we had to check on the dock website if it was open. This is gonna suck coming back. We are still going downhill. It's gonna be so hectic. Are you ready? Absolutely paradise. And you know what? It's protected here. I don't feel wind at all. And there it is. Oh my gosh. I'll never get tired of this. So you tracked the walk on your watch.
Yep.
How far did we go?
We went 1.92 k's, so 2 kilometers basically.
Not bad at all.
No.
And perfect in my open shoes.
Yeah, and it is paradise.
We have found our camp for the day. Craig is going to set up umbrella, which he carried with, our towels, our lunch and snacks. And we decided to sit at the back of the beach just to make sure that high tide doesn't catch us later. And if you're wondering where the cave is from here, over there. We're going to start by giving you a tour of the beach here at Cathedral Cove. We're going to start here in the corner where there's a little waterfall going off of the rocks into a little pool. There's already people in the ocean. I can't wait to take my first dip here. I think we're going to go through the cave and see what's on the other side. That is cold. It's a lot colder than I thought it was going to be. And now we're going to go through the archway, the world famous archway. I think in Narnia they stood here. So on this side is also a beautiful beach. Of course, because this beach is so remote, there aren't any facilities down here, no toilets, no shops, no anything. At the halfway point where we showed you the ice cream shop and the toilet, that's kind of the last place you can get anything. That's why we stocked up. We're gonna sit here for the day. Tide is only in about another 3 hours and already the waves are touching the rock. Not sure if you can see to the end of the beach, but the ferry just pulled up over there, just in case you were wondering where the ferry would drop you off. We ended up sitting at the busy end of the beach. The water taxi is here and all these kayak tours also, but it's quite cool hearing all the different accents of all the travelers and all the tour guides taking coffee orders, and they sat here behind us making flat whites and cappuccinos on the beach. It's about 11 o'clock now and I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Should we show them what we brought down for lunch and what you carried all this way?
Just put my book away. We brought our little esky, our little cooler box.
Chili bin.
For lunch we bought some dips. So Chantal's got a cucumber and mint dip. I've got a hummus, cheese sticks, cucumber sticks, Italian salami, chorizo sticks, which I do love, strawberries, cream cheese, don't know where the lid is, crackers, mixed nuts, beer mix. The best is smoked mussels. Even got little plates. So good.
No.
And we've watched.
Look at this guy.
The minute we open those mussels.
After lunch, we chilled a bit longer, did some reading, and then of course went straight back into the water. By then the beach had definitely filled up, but we don't mind. We like the vibes. It felt just like peak summer. We stayed in way longer than we planned to, and it was kind of the perfect way to end the day.
We had an absolutely incredible day, just a nice beach day at Cathedral Cove.
So good.
It still feels like I'm in a green screen. These colors look fake on the screen of this camera, but it actually looks like that in person. It's unreal.
Definitely one of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
It is about 2 o'clock now and we are sadly going to head back. I am a bit nervous for that uphill. It's going to be like 1 kilometer of uphill. We just cleared all the stairs and I'm already ready for another swim. Oh my goodness, I don't even know why I do the stair machine at gym anymore. Worth every step of the way. And we still have a 2.5 hour drive back. So we might have a real fruit ice cream down in Hahe. You park the car down, so we've got to walk up to the car park and then down to where Craig parked the car. So
Yep.
Yeah, and it's hot. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video and seeing the absolute beauty that is Cathedral Cove and the Coromandel. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. We're going to start by giving you a tour of...
Again, I just recorded that.
You say cool way too much.
Pretty cool.
No.
It's pretty cool. It's cool. Pretty cool. It really is cool.